I've got some tips for you to keep your produce fresh for weeks. First, don't stuff your fridge. Give your green veggies a soak, then let them air dry and wrap them in kitchen paper. This one is made of bamboo, which is great because it keeps out too much moisture, but it keeps the veggies very clean because it has antibacterial properties that come naturally with bamboo fibers. If you have leftover celeries, you can keep them fresh by putting them vertically in a container with a bit of water in the bottom. To keep broccoli fresh, get a piece of kitchen towel, make it wet, and put the broccoli vertical like this inside a plastic container. Spring onions usually come with a bit of soil on the bulb and the roots. You need to wash it clean and cut away the bottom part. Let it air dry first. Then put them in a plastic container that has a plastic mesh layer in the bottom, which will keep the spring onions dry. Paper shopping bags can be reused and repurposed. These will keep out moisture and keep your veggies fresh. Ginger can be prepared in advance and frozen. Batches of ginger pieces and slices can be prepared in advance and put into plastic boxes like this, so it will be easy to use and easy to find. I also make use of these plastic takeout boxes to keep my leftover foods and soup bones and fish head and whatever ingredients that I can save for future use. Sometimes you might have some ingredients that you cannot finish in one go, like these frozen peas and sauces and half a lemon. Just reuse your jars, like jam jars and sausage jars, and these glass jars are safe for any acidic sauces and ingredients. They are neat and easily stacked up. That's my sharing for today. I hope you find these tips useful. Thank you and see you again.